Our deciduous trees have made a mess and dropped all their leaves, and I really love what they've done here on campus here with these bald cypress needles. They've actually blown them off of the sidewalks onto the landscape beds where they've created this nice layer of mulch. And you can see what a great job this is done. You can see that the soil here is still moist, because one of the benefits of mulch is that it helps retain moisture into the soil. Another benefit of these leaves are that it suppresses weeds. You don't see a whole lot of weeds in these beds, so we're using this natural mulch of these fallen leaves. And what's also great about this is that the leaves will break down into organic matter, and it will help condition the soil. It provides nutrients back to the plants, and so it's this whole cycle. What's wonderful about this is that insects will also lay their eggs here. And what does that feed? That feeds our birds. So that's that nice, wonderful circle of life. We've got the decomposers like the fungi that are going to break these down and provide those nutrients back to the plants. So one great use of our leaves in the winter and in the fall are to collect those and utilize them as a mulch to help suppress weeds, to help insulate the soil, keep that moisture locked in, and it can be just so gorgeous like these bald cypress needles. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.